Okay, so real quick, let's go over how to add a second driver to the My Mazda app so we can control the car, one car with two phones. First, the secondary phone needs to have, well, it's self-explanatory, but needs to have the Mazda app, and you need to make your own account on the second phone. Now on the first phone, you should already have the Mazda app installed and the account already set up. If you missed this first step, I have a video on how to do so. Just check the link in the video description. But if you already have everything set up on the first phone, we're gonna go from the home page, select the options menu at the top right, select the My Mazda option, and then go to My Vehicle. Now from here, it's hard to miss it because it's this little menu right here. It doesn't seem like it's an option to select, but it is. So we'll select drivers right here. And from drivers, go to manage drivers. And from here, we're gonna select invite driver. And you just have to fill out the information here. So the first, last name, email, and what you want this secondary driver to have access to. So if you want the driver to have access to everything, just don't uncheck anything there. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill out the information and catch up with you in a second. Now that we have information filled out, we can select send invite, and it'll send the invite through email. So now we can go to the second phone. So we're completely done with the first phone now. Now all we have to do is finish the last steps on the second phone. Now they will send you an email, but the email is just more like a confirmation. And also it's a reminder to let you know to install the app if you haven't already. But I have the app here, so I'm gonna go ahead and log in. And you see, as soon as you log in, we see the invitation. So you go ahead and select accept. Go ahead and agree to all this nonsense here. I recommend agreeing to notifications, because notifications and stuff like the car, like driver's side car door is open, or you left the passenger side door unlocked. So it's very helpful to get these notifications. So I'm gonna select yes, but it's up to you. And next, it gives you a breakdown of all the notifications. So if it's one that you don't want notifications for, just unselect it, but I prefer to have all mine selected. All right, after that, you can exit out of this. The vehicle should already be selected there, so we can select next. And we're in. It may take a moment for everything to boot up, so as soon as you jump into the app, as soon as you set everything up, it may not work right away. So give it a moment, maybe even to the next day, and then you should be able to do everything. But when you are good to go, remember you have to press and hold the options in order to start the car and everything. But besides that, that's all I have for this video. For more informational videos around everyday tech and products, feel free to subscribe to the channel, because I'm always trying to teach you guys something, whatever I find out how to do it myself, of course. All right, but that's all I got for you. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.